If you're experiencing approval delays on Instagram, there are several steps you can take to expedite the process. Follow these steps to help resolve the issue quickly. Step 1. Check your account status. Ensure that your account is in good standing. Review any notifications from Instagram regarding policy violations or restrictions that might be causing the delay. Step 2. Review submission guidelines. Make sure your content or request adheres to Instagram's community guidelines and submission requirements. Non-compliance can lead to delays or rejections. Step 3. Resubmit your request. If your initial submission was denied or delayed, consider resubmitting it. Provide any additional information or clarification that may help your case. Step 4. Contact Instagram support. Reach out to Instagram's support team through the app or their help center. Provide details about your issue and request assistance in resolving the approval delay. Step 5. Be patient and follow up. After taking these steps, give it some time for Instagram to process your request. If you don't hear back within a reasonable time frame, follow up with support for an update. By following these steps, you can improve your chances of resolving approval delays on Instagram efficiently.